And yeah, I feel like this might be a disaster.
One
Wait.
up.
What? Hey guys, Nia, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be doing a makeup look that I never thought I would come back to, but now it's more different and more intense, I can say. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe now for more content like this. We here at this channel do vlogs, beauty videos, sometimes dance covers will appear here and there, and honestly I share my life with you guys on here. So if you guys want to continue to go with this journey with me, subscribe now and hit that like button and comment down below what other transformation videos you guys might want to see. So today's video is very different from my normal makeup videos, and what it is what's trending right now, where I didn't even figure it would trend like a long time ago. We are going to be trying E-Girls transformation, and this is very different. As you guys know, I used to go through a whole emo phase back in middle school, if you guys has been a long time subscriber, and honestly that phase went away after probably a couple years later. Now the term e-girl, there are two different definitions. The original definition of the e-girl, which I will put up on the screen, is basically a girl who plays internet games online, basically like PC gamers. That's the original definition of an e-girl, if many of you guys didn't know. And now this is the definition of e-girl for TikTok, which I'll put up here. That is very different from the original definition. The TikTok definition is basically an emo kind of makeup style look, basically based on skaters, rockers, punks, anime, K-pop, and etc. And honestly, I am kind of nervous. I haven't done this type of makeup look in a while, and a lot of my makeup aren't really pigmented anymore, mainly the eyeshadows. So hopefully this will go well. So I'll speed through the base makeup, so we'll just focus on the eye makeup, the eyebrows, and the details on the look.
Getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to...
So we have our base makeup done. Now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. I've seen some videos, and what I see is mainly a dramatic wing, like really thick wing, and usually the colors that they use are like red or pink, or there's like a lot of type of aesthetic for e-girls. So I don't have very pigmented eyeshadow, so what we're going to be using today is this Korean brand. It's Top Professional Melting Lip and Cheek Powder by EGirl. This is in the shade Dusty Rose, if you guys can see that. I'm going to be using this for my eyes and cheeks, since a lot of my blush aren't exactly pigmented as well. And this is basically, I've used this a lot of times. This is basically the product right here. It's very cute. So we're just going to apply our concealer. This is the fun part. We are going to be doing the eyeshadow now. We're going to be using my MAC Studios eyeshadow palette that I've always used in so many videos that you guys saw, especially one of the recent ones. We're going to just get one of the neutral colors and just apply that on the lid. basically just a base color for everything else. And now what we're going to do is, I think we're going to take the It's Skin. I don't really do very pigmented eyeshadow look, because majority of the time I wear eyeshadow is to parties or school, and I don't really test out a lot of dramatic kind of look. Just want to blend this out. So you actually can need to blend this out really quickly. Oh my god, I'm kind of loving this. That is, oh my god, wait, that is so insane. Oh my goodness. But I think from many of the ones that I saw, they're like very up here as well, so I'm going to try my best to get all the way up there. I'm going to be brushing on the red color that I have right here. It's like a darkish red. Just try to blend this out. Wait, this is insane. So yeah, this looks somewhat better. So I did the rest of the eye makeup look off camera because just to save time. We're gonna go right onto the little details that some of them have. Now, some have freckles and some have details down here. So I'm gonna put the two hearts down here. I'm so nervous, I'm so nervous, I'm so nervous. Wait. Oh. Wait. That looks so... Oh my god, I am scared. What? Oh my god. So now we're gonna go straight onto the blush part, which I am very nervous about. I'm going to be using, again, the It's Skin, excuse me. I'm going to be using the It's Skin, and hopefully this will blend. I'm honestly just looking back and forth at the reference photo that I have. Okay, so we're just gonna go with the cheeks for now, and I'm gonna use this beauty blender and blend it out, because I feel like I don't think I can blend out with mine. Is it even blending? This is honestly insane. In real life, the blush is very vibrant. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. It's very vibrant, as you guys can see. I actually use my lipstick to kind of give it more of a color, because the others wasn't really doing it. But this is so far looking good, and I'm so happy. Usually I saw Egirls sometimes having freckles, but I'm not master at that yet. So now we're going to be putting a little bit of highlighter onto the look. From what I saw, a lot of them have like some highlighter on there. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender again, just blend this out, even though you can blend this with your finger. That shine, oh my god. So there we go. This is so far what it looks like. I'm going to be putting a bit more of like white shimmer up here and fill in my eyebrows. Then we'll go on to the lips. So that's the best I can do with my eyebrows. So far I am really loving the look, honestly. Just gonna conceal my lips. And now we're going to be using the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick. A very red kind of color. Just gonna apply. I've seen a lot of the e-girls have either dark lipstick colors, pink, or black lipstick color. I think it just depends on the aesthetic you're going for. And for me, I think this like burgundy type of red will be good for this look. So we're just gonna add in Wet n Wild's lip gloss, kind of, I guess, just to give it some shine. So my final thought, I kind of think I look like a clown, but I have mad respect for all TikTok e-girls. Honestly, this makeup look actually took me a while to do. It is very artistic. There are different aesthetic to it. There's like a soft e-girl, there's gothic e-girls, like there is so much aesthetic to it, and it's basically based off of anime or skaters or punks, rockers. Honestly, this is something that I suggest everyone tries, because this makeup look is art, and just basing it off of a photo is very hard to even try and do. And honestly, the hair, there are different styles, and usually they have like the two-tone hair. I don't have a wig, so this is the best I can do, because my hair is kind of two-tone at the moment. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I actually enjoy doing this makeup look. If you guys want me to try any more types of transformation, just comment down below what type you guys want. Maybe another type of e-girl aesthetic transformation. And yeah, this video I actually did talk about with my best friend Sophia, which I will put her Instagram down below in the description, and you guys should go follow her. Honestly, she does this e-girl type of style. Basically got my pointers from her. And honestly, this is amazing that I never thought I can do. But here we are. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and honestly, subscribe if you guys want me to do more of this. Subscribe if you guys want to see more of this kind of content. Like this video and comment down below again what type of other transformation you guys want me to do, and I'll see you guys next time.